Is it recording?
Yes.
Or does it say pause?
It says record. The red light's on.
Okay, do we go this way?
She went that way.
Ugh.
It'll just be scratched and blown. Ooh.
Oh, I hate that sound.
Yes. Now, am I recording?
I think so. I don't have my glasses on, so I fucking can't see.
Now again with the 201, you may be going through some obstacles where you feel uncomfortable. You may feel the vehicle is going to lean, it's going to tip over, or it's in a scenario where you're not real comfortable with. On down.
Do I have to? I hate how I can't see. You can just feel the Jeep pulling itself over these rocks.
It's just going.
Uh-huh. This is my second time ever off-roading. It was a 201 off-roading class with off-road consulting at Roush Creek Off-Road Park. I had posted this video several years ago, but unfortunately YouTube flagged it for copyright issues. I was using music I wasn't supposed to. Naughty, naughty, Jeep Momma. So anyway, I've lost some of the natural sound, but you can kind of get the picture of how I was my second time off-roading. Not any different than how I am now. I was a big chicken then and big chicken now, but you know what? I kept pushing forward and look at where I am now.
Okay, hold there. Back down, back completely off the rock face, and we're going to have you just kind of roll through it all at once again. You didn't do anything wrong, you just kind of caught a bad bounce. Alright, right there. Now as you come up through, just give it a nice carry of momentum as you go through. Good, a little momentum now, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. There you go, now you got it. Now, yep, hold back
go,
there.
girl.
Nice and easy as you come up. Well done.
If you're new to off-roading, I highly recommend you take some off-roading classes. I know there are groups, Jeep groups, off-roading groups across the country that offer this. And there's also off-road consulting out of Roush Creek Off-Road Park in Pennsylvania. Kyle and the gang there are amazing. And it's a great way to get a good base so you know what you're doing out on those trails.
Hold on.
Hang on.
Now what you want to do? Back down.
I thought I was going to make it.
You let off just a hair too early. You have to keep the wheel straight. Just back down to the bottom and then try it again.
Holy shit.
You let off just a hair too early. Hold it. Now what you want to do?
That last little hump. It
I
gets
thought
everybody.
I was going to get it.
No worries. You weren't the only one.
Stay with it, stay with it, stay with it.
You got it.
Yeah!
Just letting you know. I was just saying, thanks, because I might have bumped you over and that would have